Good afternoon to all. Here I am again, yet another video on the labor and industrial laws. Today in the lecture, I would like to start with the lockout, as we have already started and talked about strike in detail, the types of strike in detail. So today we are going to talk about what is lockout. Uh, and then we will also going to talk about what are the differences between the lockout and another term, that is closure. We are also going to talk about what are the conditions to be fulfilled before resorting to the weapons of strike or the lockout. Then we are also going to talk about some general restrictions. The next up is the justified and the unjustified strike. That may be the kinds of strike, and then we are also going to talk about what are the grounds of illegal strikes or illegal lockouts. What are the provisions which talks about the powers of order of appropriate government in relation to stop the ongoing strike or the lockout in any industrial establishment. Then we are also going to talk about what are the impacts of illegal strikes and illegal lockouts. Then lastly we are going to talk about what is the term Gherao means, and also we are going to do its comparison with the strike, and also we are going to judge with what are the legal implications and what are the legal condition, what is a lawful condition of this term under the industrial dispute. So, in the words of Justice Gajendra Gadkar, it has been said that in the struggle between the labor and the capital, the weapon of a strike is available to the labor and is often used by it. So is the weapon of lockout, and it is available to the employer and it can be used by him. So we can say that lockout basically is an antithesis of a strike. It is also a weapon at the disposal of the employer, basically at the hands of the employer, so that he can use this weapon or he can use to lock out the place of his business to compel the workers, the laborers, the employees to accept the terms and conditions of employment which has been posed by him. The definition under this legislation has been talked about under section